everybody, it's your girl AshaKosh, and I got this wig from Ishowbeauty. I'm about to show you guys how I get it slayed. It's 28 inches, 180% density, and it's a 13 by 14 lace front, and it's loose deep wave hair. Everything will be linked in the description for you all to purchase. I have the 40 developer, and I'm just going to use this to lay a good foundation to this lace. I see somebody do it and I'm doing it, so yeah. And this is the creamy, developer mix, bleach mix that I make. Is so creamy. Yeah, I did that. You gotta get this thick so that you don't leave anything on the lace. And that's me brushing the hair back so I don't get it on the hair so it doesn't bleed, and just laying it like butter onto the lace just to make sure it is very nice and bleached, because you gotta bleach those knots, baby. And after that, look at that, really, really nice. I did a good job, if I don't say myself. Like, I really slayed that, I'm not gonna lie. And I'm about to show you guys me plucking the wig, because to make your wigs look more natural and just bodied, you have to pluck the waist. And I'm gonna show you the side of where I plucked before and what it looks like without being plucked. So like, it just shows overall how good it is when you pluck it. It looks very natural, if I don't say myself. And yeah, what it do, everybody? So I'm about to start the installation process. I love to use the Got To Be Ultra Gel to lay these baby hairs, because as you guys can see, my baby hairs have been growing. Pregnancy has been treating me so well. But, I got to push these edges back, because I ain't trying to rip them off with laying this wig, because I'm going to be using glue, because I use glue all the time. So, yeah, I got to make sure these are all protected. And I think that the gel does a really good job by slicking them back. And, of course, I got to use the cap. This cap was actually really tight, and I kind of ripped it putting it on. But, big head problems, My man still loves me, so I'm going to keep going. And I'm about to cut it. I like to cut my wig caps behind the ear. Just like, you see those lines, so it doesn't go forward and it goes behind. And I still didn't cut enough, so I just went a little bit in the front because, I had to make sure. And I did it on both sides, of course, because, yeah, that's what we do. And I use this new product for, like, the skin color. And don't judge me. It doesn't look that bad, but it looks bad. But, hey, this is just how I do it. And that's the kiss glue that I'm going to be using. I use 3 layers of that. Then I'm going to dry that. That's after the 3 layers. Yes, first of all, this is really, really ghetto of me. But I had to use my blow dryer that's the comb, because girl didn't have her regular blow dryer because it's locked in storage. So yeah, don't judge. And I had to cut this wig because it was a 3x4. My head is big, so I had to cut it to adjust it to make it look natural and to fit my head. So if you guys ever have a 13x4 lace front, just cut it so it lays where you need it to be if your head's big. And I just did that, and I just comb it and lay the hair down. Yes, that's all you have to do. So I have made my port, and it's been at least like a couple of minutes of letting this marinate. So I'm gonna take this off. And see what we're working with. I think it looks pretty good, not gonna lie. I'm gonna cut this off. Okay, so I was off camera just getting into the flow, and I forgot I was like shooting a video. But it's like, at this point, it's about creating a masterpiece when it comes to laying a wig. And pulled out the pieces that I'm using for my edges, and I want to spray again, but I'm kind of scared because the spray be a little messy. So I am going to do the front part, of course, a little bit, just to make sure that those pieces are down. And just going to touch up the pieces that need to be pasted. Like, this needs to be glued down. Right there. Does this piece need to be glued down? No, so like, this piece is the only one that deserved gluage. Spray a little bit of the lace spray. And then I'm gonna tie it up, and I'll be right back after that. I'm just gonna cut off these edges. my little flat iron. Just so I can curl these up. I'm trying to give Eric Gente, but very much Eric and Asha. I don't know why the lighting's looking like that, y'all. I don't know why. But just bear with me. I think that's as curled as it's gonna get. You feel me? Swoop these hairs. Alright, looking really good. If I don't say myself. So I'm just straightening out these pieces. I want to give me more time because I am gonna curl these pieces, but I feel like when you got a good foundation, everything just ends up perfect, and this looks perfect though. So we're just gonna cut these and then pray for perfection, period. Pregnant, I be having pregnancy brain, so I'll be spacing out, but it's like I'm be trying to stay focused. So right now I'm not talking, so I'm about to do my voiceover, as you guys can hear from my voice on the phone or on the video or wherever you like to watch it, on TV. I don't know. Anyway, let me get back to it. Like I said, I'm using like this sticks that makes your hair straight. I can't think of it. Like I said, pregnancy brain, and I'm just using a flat iron hot comb. But like I said, I got pregnancy brain. It's really, really bad, and this just makes the hair flat. I like my hair, if I'm doing a side part, to be flat. Any part, it gotta be flat, okay, period. As you guys can see, I got this slayed, and I'm showing you guys how long this hair is. It's a 28-inch and it's giving 30. Don't play. Bust down, 30 down, bust down. And I think it's super cute. I did straighten and blow dry this hair. That's what I'm showing you guys too. And then just so that it could be easier for when I curl it, I think when you straighten your hair and it's straightened, when you straighten your hair and you curl it, it looks better. So that's what I'm doing. I'm using my wand and this Herbal Essence hairspray that I got. It smells super duper good. You guys definitely get that one because it really smells really good. I never used that before, and I'm like very impressed by the hold and the smell. And I'm just gonna wand this and hold it. I feel like wanding and holding is very simple. All you gotta do is just wand and hold, wand and hold. It's super, super cool. So we're getting to the last fancy touches. You know, I gotta spray that spray, comb it out. And I'm doing this the opposite way because I seen a TikToker do it. Like, all my little tricks be on TikTok. So I'm doing it the opposite way so it can, like, you know, get out of my face and give more volume. So that is what I'm doing. And also to do a finishing touch, I do go over with my hot comb just to make sure everything's flat and slayed the right way. And then yeah, I'm about to come back with y'all and walk. You see it's giving. That's before the comb out, and now I'm combing it out because I feel like when you comb it out, it just loosens the curls and give you that volume and body that you want. And I do use a wide tooth comb, not like a small comb, because it just doesn't mess up the curls as much. And yes, giving me all the body and all the curls that I want and deserve. And this is such a good holiday hairstyle. You guys learned a little thing about how I slay my wigs. And that is the finished product.